Hi, welcome to Rosie Canine Farm. This is a litter of standard poodle puppies. These are two boys in the litter still available that are 11 weeks old. Come here. Come here. We have the brown boy here, Rogue. And then the black boy here is Kraken. They were given pirate ship names. As you can see, they're very active, playful pups. They come up to date on their health care, as in dewormings and vaccines. They're 11 weeks this week. They're from our Vivian and Gibson. So that's the brown boy there. And then the black boy, Kraken, right there. Come here, guys. Here. And the toy. All of our puppies are sold with a health guarantee. So we are Rosie Canine Farm. That's ROZEYK, the number 9 farm.com. You can contact us at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on these two gorgeous boys that we have still available. They're ready to go anytime now to their new homes. They're doing excellent with their potty training, already using a doggy door, know enough to go outside and do their business. So training should come very quickly. All right. Hi, can we sit? Sit down a minute. Gotta sit. There we go. No. There we go. How about you? Huh? So check out our website for some new pictures on them, and give us a call if you're interested in seeing them. So we'll say bye for now. Come here, Kraken. I know, you're always right there. No. You guys need to calm down. All right, well, we'll say bye for now.